Alright, I wanted to show off my Oscar and my Pacu. And over here is the pufferfish and the ghost knife and the brown knife. So these are my fish. Gotta have a divider in the tank because Oscar would eat these guys. Waiting for Matsumoto to get bigger. And my favorite fish is the ghost knife.